Look at that, guys. It's almost officially buried. Took a couple days off and playing hooky, not working. We'll get back to work in the pantry for y'all very soon, but gotta enjoy life a little, right? So we're having some snow days. So Jay's gonna snow blow again, and I think we're gonna go snowshoeing or something. Something fun. But gotta have some fun in life too, right? And show you guys all the beautiful scenery and whatnot. Then the pups playing in the snow and stuff. Maybe I'll put the camera on the pups because there's so much snow now, so it's a lot of fun. So check it out though, guys.
Alright guys, heading out into the storm. It's been storming pretty bad for the last 48 hours. We got close to what, a couple feet of snow now?
Yeah, I'd say we got about 2 feet of snow.
I'm going to go hit the road in and out of here again. It's a 2 or 3 hour process, I think, you know, when all's said and done. So wish me luck. I'll take you guys with me for a little bit. See how the snowblower's working. It worked really good yesterday. So I hope you caught that video. I was wrong. There's some hope for that snowblower. So let's go get the tractor prepped. Alright guys, I already learned my lesson yesterday while snowblowing. I need to start the tractor, start the generator heating up the tractor 2 or 3 hours before I want to use it rather than 20 minutes. 20 minutes worked when it was 30 degrees out, but it's 15 degrees out now, and I went down 2.5 hours ago, and we've got another couple inches of snow since then. So come down with me. We gotta get the tractor refueled up and get going. Guys, I forgot to keep my path over to my shed. It is a hot mess over here. There's like 2 foot of fresh snow here, like up above my knees. I can't believe I made it here, to be honest. I need to keep packing this down too. I keep forgetting. I need to shovel out front of the shed. I need to get diesel fuel for the tractor. I'm plowing snow on the front of the snowmobile, like literally coming up over the hood. I cleared this off and set up the generator and the charger 2.5, 3 hours ago. Look, I already got another 3 inches. So I gotta get on this before it piles up too much work. So we got like 6 or 7 inches last night too. Get too much snow, I won't be able to get out of here.
guess what? It's time to take the puppies out for some snow day fun. Jay and I have had some fun, so let's go let the pups have some fun. First thing, we gotta get their coats on though, so they stay a little bit drier. What? Here, let's get them on. Come here, Timber. The pups have a love-hate relationship with it, but it keeps them dry, so it makes me happy. We got them made, custom made for them, so it fits them like perfect, from a lady on Facebook. Some of y'all have messaged me before and have passed her name along, so if you want one too, be sure to message me on Facebook or send me an email and I'll get you her information. Okay, maybe if I remember I'll put it in the description of this video too. So, all right, well, I'm gonna go get my coat on and my boots and we're gonna go play outside for a few. Come on guys, come join us. Come on. Get him, Scout, get him. Go get him, Timber. Come here. You wanna go outside? Snow day doesn't mean we don't work at all. Jay is snow blowing the road, so I'm gonna get some firewood. Gotta keep the cabin warm. It's gonna be chilly the next few days. First we get a blizzard and then we get Arctic temperatures. Polar vortex. Welcome to January in Michigan. What's next? Adventure out of the cabin. Jay wanted to make sure we could get the truck down the road after he had used the snow blower. We got out no problem. We didn't get stuck or anything.
Yeah, it keeps some momentum, but it wasn't like
crazy or anything.
Yeah, it wasn't sketchy.
Go to town to see if we need anything since we're already here, and it's super blowy, snowy right now, guys. It's probably gonna be nobody in town because it's kind of a whiteout condition, but that's all right.
Adventure. Alright guys, we came out, got the essentials in town during the snowstorm. They say it's not safe to travel when there's a blizzard, but we had to get the essentials so we could
milk and bread and eggs.
None of that. We got none of that. You want to guess what we got? Let's see what we got. A minnow net. I bet you guys can't guess what we're gonna do with this and what we're gonna use it for. It's gonna be in a video. It's gonna be in a video very soon. So
drop your guesses.
Guess.
Not fishing related, so think outside the box.
Don't give them too many hints.
Think outside the box. I don't want them to say fishing. I'm encouraging thinking outside the box.
It's not what it's meant to be. So what are we gonna use this for, guys?
Think outside the box. It'll be in a video. We got a video about it coming up soon.
We'll see you guys later. Hopefully we make it back to the cabin okay.
Thanks for cooking the steaks. It's pretty white out there right now.
Snow moving sideways, that's for sure.
It's all sticking to the trees.
Do you like cozy fires? Huh? Do you like cozy fires? Do you like cozy fires? Huh? Do you? You like cozy fires? You like cozy fires?